If you came here to stand still, you came to the wrong island. Tonight, we're not behaving. Tonight, we're whining, we're smiling, we're feeling that island heat. From the beaches of Nadi to the dance floor right here. Let the rhythm move your body before your mind catches up. Now tell me, are you ready to move like nobody's watching? Are you ready?